Hello everyone, and take a look at this complete deAO nursery playset for your child's dolls. This extensive collection features a foldable stroller, a comfortable crib, and a fun baby doll bouncer. You will also find a soft play mat, travel bags, and various feeding accessories for realism. Setting everything up is simple because the buckle mounting brackets require no tools for quick assembly. Children can develop vital hand-eye coordination while they learn the importance of nurturing and daily care. Each durable item consists of safe plastic materials with smooth edges to keep your kids protected. It is the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays that will provide hours of imaginative fun. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.